in this lesson, you're going to be exploring existing designs for fairground rides that exist within the Essential Kit. But first, I wanted to show you some basic principles that you can look out for when you're exploring their designs and making their designs. And hopefully these little tips will give you a little bit of a head start on what to look for. Okay, so the first thing to talk about is the fact that the essentials won't actually fit onto a base plate unless it has got these 3 pins through this. So this is one way of doing it, okay? 3 pins. There are other ways, so that will go onto there, and the same with the motor. So the motor will clip into place like that. Now, you will spot straight away. So in the if you look at the motor very carefully, you've got 4 circles and 1 kind of central point with a cross in the middle. Now, the point for the cross in the middle is for one of those Technic pieces, and most models use this, where you have the Technic piece in, and you can see that you can place circles over it, but that actually, if you spin the motor, the Technic bit doesn't hold the beam in place, so it doesn't move that beam. Okay, so, and you see that with any circular one. So this is good if you want the axle to pass through it, but it's not good if you want it to spin it. So let's have a look. So in order to spin it, don't put a piece with circular holes in it. You want to get a piece which has got the actual cross in it, and line up your cross with that. And then when the motor spins, it holds the piece in place. Now, if you want to spin one of these pieces, what you're going to need to do is place another piece that has got the cross in it, and then attach these pieces to it, like so. Here's another way you could do it. So this has got the crosses in it, so I'll line it up, attach that, and you could attach those to that, and then it will spin those pieces. Okay, so most of the designs that you see today will probably do it that way. It is actually, if you were desperate to get one of these pieces working with the circles, you can actually do it like this. So in this situation, you use these black pins and stick them into the circle, and you kind of attach it like that. So that would be maybe a carousel going around like this, and if you attach it like that, that would be a Ferris wheel design. I'll show you. It would be a Ferris wheel design.